What if I told you there's a simple movement you can do right at home, no machines, no fancy gear, that can build leg strength, improve posture, boost your energy, and even support your vitality? It might sound unbelievable, but it's real, and most people over 50 have never even heard of it. It's called the horse stance. At first glance, it might look like you're just standing still, but what's happening inside your body tells a very different story. This ancient pose has been practiced for centuries by martial artists, healers, and athletes, not for how it looks, but for what it does. It strengthens your lower body, improves balance, sharpens focus, and helps your mind stay calm and steady. The best part is, it only takes 2 minutes a day. You can do it in your living room, in the kitchen, even next to your bed. No gym membership, no running, no stress on your joints. Just you and your own body. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly why this ancient position works so well and how you can start using it today to stay strong, balanced, and centered after 50. And make sure you stay with me until the end, because benefit number 7 is something nobody talks about, but every person over 50 should know. Before we get started, leave your name and where you're watching from in the comments below. I'd love to know who's joining us today. Number 1. Real strength begins from the ground up. Let's be honest, after 50, leg strength isn't just about looking fit. It's about standing up from a chair without using your hands, climbing stairs without wincing, and walking with confidence without worrying about losing your balance. The horse stance is like a personal power station for your lower body. When you sink into this position, every major muscle in your legs comes alive. Your quads, glutes, hamstrings, and calves all working together in quiet, steady tension. There's no bouncing, no pounding, no stress on the joints. Just deep, controlled strength that builds from the inside out. Unlike fast-paced exercises that can wear down your knees or hips, this ancient movement strengthens without strain. It's gentle on the joints, but tough on the muscles. The perfect combination for an aging body that still wants to stay active. The stronger your legs are, the more freedom you have. From carrying groceries to catching your balance on a slippery floor, your legs are your foundation for independence. Just 2 minutes a day in the horse stance can restore strength you didn't realize you'd lost, and bring back that grounded, steady feeling that radiates through everything you do. Because aging gracefully doesn't mean losing strength, it means building smarter. Number 2. A strong core is more than abs, it's your lifeline. Most people think core strength is about having a flat stomach or visible abs, but after 50 it means something much more important. It's about stability, posture, and protecting your spine. The horse stance quietly works your entire core, not just the front of your abdomen, but also your sides and deep lower back muscles. As you hold the position, your body must stay steady without leaning forward, twisting, or collapsing. That subtle effort is your core firing on all cylinders, building the kind of strength that supports every movement you make throughout the day. A strong core reduces pressure on your lower back, helps you stand taller, and allows you to move with ease, whether you're turning the steering wheel, carrying groceries, or getting out of bed. Unlike crunches or planks that can strain the neck or shoulders, the horse stance develops endurance, the quiet kind of strength that keeps you upright and pain-free through your day. Because after 50, your core isn't about appearance, it's about function, protection, and freedom to move without fear or fatigue. Number 3. Regain your balance and reconnect with your body. One of the most overlooked signs of aging is the gradual loss of balance. It often happens quietly, until one day you stumble over a curb, miss a step, or find yourself reaching for the wall just to feel secure. The horse stance helps retrain your body to find its center again. As you hold the position, every part of your body, from your feet to your head, works together to stay aligned. This steady engagement wakes up something deep inside called proprioception, your body's internal GPS that tells your brain exactly where you are in space. Over time, this reawakening improves stability and confidence with every step you take. You begin to move more gracefully, react more quickly, and trust your body again, whether you are walking across the driveway, dancing, hiking, or simply stepping out of bed. The beauty of this is that you don't need any equipment or complicated exercises, just your breath, your focus, and a few moments of stillness. Falls are not just accidents, they are signals that the body's awareness has dulled. The horse stance helps sharpen that awareness, so you can walk through life with steady confidence and quiet strength. Number 4. Support below the belt without pills or awkward talks. Let's talk about something important that's often kept quiet: pelvic health after 50. After 50, it is not just about strength or balance. It is also about circulation, vitality, and the connection you feel with your own body. The horse stance does something unique. As you hold the position, the deep muscles around your hips, pelvis, and lower abdomen engage and awaken, increasing blood flow and gently stimulating tissues that often become inactive with age. For men, this can improve circulation and support erectile function naturally. For women, it can strengthen the pelvic floor, supporting bladder control and enhancing comfort and sensitivity. These are not cosmetic benefits. They are about quality of life, about staying confident and connected without needing medication or medical procedures. At the same time, this posture encourages calm, steady breathing, which lowers stress hormones and improves sleep. Many people notice that after a few consistent sessions, their mood lifts, they sleep more deeply, and they feel quietly energized. This movement may look simple, but it nurtures one of the most important yet overlooked areas of well-being. Because when your circulation improves and your core systems are active, you don't just feel alive, you feel present in your body again. Number 5, train the body, quiet the mind, build resilience that lasts. Most exercises focus only on moving the body, but the horse stance trains something deeper: your ability to stay calm when every muscle wants to quit. After 30 seconds, your legs begin to shake, your mind starts to wander, and a little voice tells you to stop. But when you choose to stay, breathe, and focus, something changes. You are not just building physical strength, you are developing mental resilience. This is the quiet discipline that carries into everyday life, the kind that helps you stay grounded when stress hits, when plans fall apart, or when sleep doesn't come easily. You learn to sit with discomfort without panic, to breathe through challenge instead of escaping it. And science supports this. Slow, focused movement paired with controlled breathing lowers cortisol, the stress hormone that drains your energy and mood. It also improves emotional regulation and sharpens focus. For anyone over 50, this kind of training is a true game changer. Life may not get easier, but your response to it can become stronger, calmer, and more centered. That is the real power behind this stillness: the strength to endure without tension and to stay present when your body and mind are tested. Number 6, strong joints, steady steps without the wear and tear. As we get older, our joints are often the first to complain. Knees ache, hips stiffen, and even simple movements start to feel heavier than they used to. But what if you could strengthen your joints without grinding them down? The horse stance offers exactly that. This position builds strength through stillness, not motion. When you hold it, your knees, hips, and ankles align naturally, creating gentle tension that conditions the tendons and ligaments supporting your joints. It's called isometric loading, and it encourages the body to adapt and grow stronger without stress or impact. Over time, this gentle resistance reduces stiffness, improves flexibility, and helps protect against injury from slips or missteps. Think of it as reinforcing the scaffolding inside your body, strengthening the structure that keeps you steady and upright. If you have ever skipped workouts because you feared hurting your knees or aggravating your joints, this movement is your solution. It is safe, effective, and deeply restorative. Your joints don't have to give out with age. They simply need the right kind of training to stay resilient, balanced, and pain-free. Number 7, unlock your hips. Unlock your life. If your hips feel stiff when you get out of the car or tight when you bend down to tie your shoes, you are not alone. Reduced hip mobility is one of the sneakiest signs of aging and one of the biggest reasons people lose their ability to move freely. The horse stance targets this directly by gently opening your hips as you lower into position. It stretches the muscles and connective tissue around the pelvis in a natural, controlled way that feels steady, not forced. Unlike aggressive stretching routines that constrain your joints, this pose allows flexibility to return gradually and safely. Better hip mobility improves posture, balance, digestion, and circulation, while also lowering the risk of falls. Tight hips pull on the lower back, compress the spine, and throw the body out of alignment. But when the hips are free, everything else begins to move better too. The best part is that you don't need to go deep into the stance to benefit. Even a shallow version done consistently helps loosen the hips over time. More open hips mean less stiffness in the morning, more comfort in the afternoon, and more confidence in every step you take. When your hips move well, so does the rest of your life. Number 8. Boost hormones naturally and feel more like you again. After 50, it's common to feel your energy, mood, and motivation shifting. What you are feeling is not in your head. It is the natural shift in hormones that happens with age. The good news is your body has built-in tools to restore balance, and the horse stance is one of them. When you hold this position, your body experiences a healthy form of stress that triggers a positive response. It lowers cortisol, the hormone linked to tension and fatigue, and increases the flow of testosterone and endorphins, your body's natural vitality boosters. The result is better mood, sharper focus, and renewed energy, all without pills or supplements. At the same time, the deep, steady breathing that accompanies this stance calms the nervous system, creating a grounded feeling of control and mental clarity. This simple daily practice reminds your body that it is still strong, still adaptable, and still capable of producing balance on its own. You are telling your body, I am still here, I still move, and I still matter. And your body responds with energy, confidence, and a quiet sense of being fully alive again. Number 9. Total body engagement without a single step. The horse stance may look simple, but beneath the surface, your entire body is working in harmony. Your legs hold your weight, your core stabilizes your spine, your back and shoulders stay upright, and even your arms engage slightly to maintain balance. It is a full-body workout hidden inside stillness, where every muscle contributes to strength and alignment. This type of training is known as isometric exercise, and it is ideal for people over 50 because it builds power without the repetitive motion that can wear down joints. Instead of pounding or straining, you create deep muscle activation that improves communication between your brain and your body, what scientists call neuromuscular coordination. This means your body becomes better at responding quickly and efficiently, whether you are carrying groceries, lifting a grandchild, or walking across uneven ground. The horse stance teaches functional strength, the kind you use every day in real life. It doesn't require equipment, loud music, or long routines. Just your breath, your focus, and your presence. With consistency, you will feel stronger from the inside out, balanced, grounded, and capable in everything you do. Number 10. A gym in your body, no equipment, no excuses. You don't need a crowded gym or complicated machines to stay strong. The horse stance turns your own body into a complete fitness tool. You can do it anywhere, at any time, in your bedroom, on your patio, during a lunch break, or even while waiting for your morning coffee. It takes less than 2 minutes, yet the benefits reach deep into your strength, stability, and focus. No gym membership, no expensive gear, no travel time, just you and your own commitment. What makes this so powerful is its simplicity. When something is simple, it gets done. And when it gets done consistently, real change happens. The horse stance is sustainable because it fits into your everyday life. You can practice it barefoot on the carpet, on your porch at sunrise, or before bedtime to relax your mind. It's about creating a habit, not a struggle. Because lasting strength after 50 isn't built through intensity, it's built through consistency. Wherever life takes you, your personal gym is always with you. You just have to take your stance and hold it. Here's how to practice the horse stance safely and effectively. Start by standing tall with your feet together. Step out using a pattern that goes toes out, heels out, until your legs are about twice the width of your shoulders. Turn your toes slightly outward and slowly lower your hips, as if you were sitting down on an invisible stool. Keep your back straight, your chest lifted, and your knees tracking directly over your toes. Your eyes should face forward, your chin level, your body grounded but relaxed. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Hold this position for about 30 seconds at first, then gradually work your way up to 1 or 2 minutes as your strength builds. There is no rush, because true power is built through stillness and control. If you feel your legs begin to shake, that's your body waking up and adapting. Stay focused on your breathing and your posture, and let the tension settle naturally. Avoid this exercise if you have recently had surgery on your knees, hips, or lower back, or if you have uncontrolled high blood pressure or serious balance problems. Always talk to your doctor or physical therapist before starting any new movement routine, especially if you have chronic joint or heart conditions. The goal is not speed or intensity, but steady progress and awareness of your body in every breath. In a world that constantly pushes you to move faster and do more, the horse stance offers something truly different: stillness with purpose. It may not be flashy, and it may never trend on social media, but it works. Because at this stage in life, you don't need noise or pressure. You need strength that lasts, balance that protects, and confidence that comes from within. With just 2 minutes a day, you can rebuild lower body strength, regain stability, improve posture, and support your inner vitality without equipment, without pills, and without even leaving your home. This isn't just about staying active. It's about reclaiming control over your body and your spirit. It's about proving to yourself that growth doesn't stop with age. It only deepens with intention. This isn't just about exercise. It's about proving you're not done growing. Stand up, find a quiet space, and give it just 30 seconds. Let your body remind you what it's capable of, and let your mind feel that grounded power again. Your journey to a stronger, more confident you starts right now, with just one stance. And if you already practice the horse stance, I'd love to hear your experience in the comments below. How long can you hold it?